piano, it allows me to express what I'm feeling that day or let out some emotions, whatever I'm feeling. My name is Colby Anderson. I'm an 18-year-old student at Wright State studying computer engineering. And I'll be graduating with a bachelor's this spring.
He's graduating at 18? That's really impressive.
I assumed you'd be a music major.
One thing that I love about this school is playing piano in the cafeteria after lunch.
Really good. I'm always happy to hear it. It's always nice. Even if I'm not paying attention directly to it, it's always nice to hear in the background.
Computer science doesn't really let you express yourself or your emotions or how you're feeling for the day, but when you sit down at the piano, it's like you can really be yourself. It is a great way to connect with people. I feel like I've, met my crowd here. Sometimes if someone else plays piano, they'll come up and say, "Hey, good job," give you a pat on the back.
Colby plays quite well. I like listening to his music. One of the songs he plays that's my favorite is Clair de Lune. It's a pretty famous classical piece, and he plays it with a lot of emotion.
It's going to be sad without him playing the piano, but he's on to bigger and better things.
Once I graduate from Wright State, I'll be working at Booz Allen Hamilton, which is like 2 minutes down the road. I'll likely be back here. Any opportunity I get, I'd love to play the piano again. I mean, it's probably going to be very nostalgic for me.